Hi, today I've just got a quick sled storage tip. Before you put your sled away for the summer, you want to hit the grease points. On this particular one, a 2011 F8, I've got 3 in the rear suspension. One right here, I've got my grease gun on there. There's one here. And there's also one here. So 3 in the rear suspension, and then there's 2 in the front, 1 in each spindle. Actually, I think there's 4 in the front. I'll show you those in a second. But while I got my grease gun here, I really like this DeWalt 20 volt max grease gun. Pretty simple. You just snap it on. You can pump it full of grease. Works really well. Okay, and the front. Yeah, so there's 2 in the steering. Right there. There's 1 on each side like that. And then there's 1 on each spindle. Right there. So 4 in the front, 3 in the back. And I am using Amsoil water resistant grease. It's a synthetic grease. It resists washout really well. And I'll put a link to that in the comments. Thanks.